Hey, what is up everyone? In this video, I'm going to teach you how to file a 1099K form or a self-employment form on TurboTax. First of all, I'm on my TurboTax dashboard right here. And what you need to do is to go to the menu on the left, and under Federal here, you need to click on Wages and Income. And here you'll find many types of income forms. Now, what you want to go for is the self-employment income and expenses. I've already started the process, so it shows here needs review, and it shows review instead of start at the bottom. Now, here you see that the self-employment forms, including Schedule C, 1099 NEC, and 1099K here under the self-employment. And you want to click on Start right here. And you will get to this page right here where you can enter your work category and then who did this work, you or a spouse that you added earlier once you were setting up. Of course, if you haven't added any dependents, you will only see yourself. And then simply continue with the wizard in order to file your 1099K form.